Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Teachable, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you create a course on Teachable? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. Also, this is going to be a quick rundown on how to create a course. Of course, if you're going to be setting up a course, you probably want to spend more time than I'm going to spend on here. I just want to go over the quick features and the AI compatibility with your Teachable course. Also, this is assuming you've already set up an account with Teachable. If you need help with that, check my video description. I'll try to leave a quick link to my referral code and then also my other video that shows you how to set up and create a Teachable account. So once you've set up your Teachable account and you're ready to go ahead and create your course and you've logged in like I've logged in, this is the homepage. What you're going to want to do is click on this hamburger menu. It's going to be here on the top left, these three horizontal lines. So once you click there, you're going to see a drop down menu, and in order to create your course on Teachable, you want to look for this button right here called Courses. Okay, so you do have a limited amount of courses that you can set up on the free plan. If you're going to be setting up multiple courses, you can upgrade to the paid plan. I'm in the free plan right now. So this is the course section where you'll see all of the different courses that you have set up in Teachable. And in order to create a course on Teachable, you want to click on this green button here called Create Course. Okay, so just in a few easy steps, you can set up a course on Teachable. So first you want to go ahead and name the title of your course. So we'll just put Make Money Course. All right. So you can go ahead and set this up manually. However, Teachable has intertwined their system with AI to help you kind of format and design your course. Of course, that's going to let you set up your course a little bit quicker. So I'm going to go ahead and choose that. That's really up to you though. Okay, so here you're going to go ahead and just write a description of what your course will contain. They let you know that you can include additional information like the tone of voice, like if you want it to be professional, fun, similar as what you would do with ChatGPT. So I'm going to go ahead and just type in a description. Okay, I just did a quick description. I just put it's a quick course that goes over various ways to make money online using your phone. The course can be completed in under 1 hour. It will describe mostly content creation in a professional, fun tone. So the more description you add in here, the better results you're going to get to kind of framework and format your course on Teachable. So I'm going to click on this green continue button. Okay, so next Teachable asks you to go ahead and add a thumbnail image. You can go ahead and click this upload button. Okay, next you get the screen so you can select files to upload. You can choose from your library or you can use your camera and take a photo. I'm just going to choose a photo I already have in my library. Okay, I chose a photo. I'm going to click on done. Okay, so you can go ahead and crop the thumbnail as you see fit. So we'll go ahead and cut this one out, and then we'll just cut this down. Okay, so that looks good. It's just the moon, and then I'll click on save. All right, so that looks good. I'm going to click on upload. Okay, so our thumbnail image to our course on Teachable is now uploaded. So I'll click on continue. Next, you want to set up the price for your course on Teachable. So they have a couple of different options. You can go ahead and set them up on a payment plan, a one-time purchase, some sort of recurring subscription, free. But if you're not sure about pricing, you can go ahead and take care of that step later. For me, I'm going to go ahead and put this one as free, and then I'll click on continue. Okay, next you want to go ahead and put a description about what your student can expect about your course that you're putting up on Teachable. So let me go ahead and just fill this out a little bit. And then you want to put a short description of what they can expect on your course, and then also the name of the course again. So I'll click on done. Okay, so if you have a paid plan, you can put a limited enrollment. So that can actually drive more sales if the customer or your student feels like there's only a limited amount of time. I'm not going to do that. Teachable does allow your students to buy now, pay later. They say that it does increase conversions if you make that available. I'm not going to do that. If you want to, you can go ahead and enable Teachable, which is the service that allows that. So let me go ahead and click on continue. Okay, so here with AI, since this is a pretty nice thing that Teachable has set up, so you can go ahead and design your course from scratch if you wish to do so. Or if you want to go ahead and speed this process along, you can have AI outline your course in Teachable, which is what I'm going to do right here. And then I'm going to click on finish. Okay, next the screen pops up. It says that my AI generated content is ready. So they do let you know you want to review it, including your curriculum, lessons, content, and sales page. And you want to personalize it because you don't want to just push this out just based off of what AI had written, because it's probably going to be a good framework, but it's not going to be a full course. So you want to go through, it looks like they set up an introduction, content creation for profit, utilizing mobile apps for generating income, maximizing your earnings, and then conclusion. So they did a pretty good job of actually outlining that. So what you can do is you're going to want to go into each one of these sections and then just just see what was written. So you can see it's all written out and kind of formatted out. It's not going to be exactly what you need for your course, but as you can see, it kind of speeds it up when you're creating a course on Teachable. So you can just click on edit, and then you can go in here and just edit this just like you would like a Facebook page or a web page. And then once you've made the edits that are more in line with your course that you want on Teachable, go ahead and click on save. And then you want to go back to outline. And then like I said, you want to go through each one of these and then make sure that it is something that you want within your course. You can go ahead and delete little sections like this one right here, the conclusion. If you don't want that, just look for the section. So in the conclusion, for example, what we're going to do is just click on those three dots, and then you can delete section. It's going to warn you, and then just delete that. And now we no longer have a conclusion in our course, and you can continue adding more sections. So for example, if you just want to publish a bare bones course on Teachable, you can do that, and you can come back later and start adding in more sections, and that builds out your course, and maybe it builds out the value of your course as well. All right, so once you're all done and you have all the sections filled out, all the wording, all of the images that you want set up, you want to click on preview. Okay, so here is a preview of what your students are going to see when they sign up for the course. So this looks pretty good. As you can see, here's our thumbnail here. Here's the title, 0% complete because we haven't actually started. And that looks pretty good to me. So we're going to go back to edit in admin here on the top left. Okay, so here we are back in the edit. Another thing I want to let you know is you can move these sections around. So if this section makes more sense towards the back, all you're going to do is just click on these little 6 dots and then just drag it down. So you can see the sections have now changed. Okay, so if everything looks good and you want to go ahead and publish, it's kind of weird because they don't have the publish button here. So what you want to do is click on the hamburger menu here on the top left. Okay, so once you do that, it's going to open up this kind of drop down menu. And what you want to do is just click on this setup guide button, this green button. Okay, so it brings you to the setup guide. So once again, you can go ahead and review this. You can make all sorts of changes here, but in order to publish it, you want to click on this green publish your course button here at the top. Okay, they do let you know that this means that all the sales pages will be publicly visible and that your students can enroll in the course and access any published lessons. So make sure it's all ready before you hit this publish course button. Okay, just a quick second later, the page refreshes and then you're going to get this saying, congrats, your course has launched. It does give you the sales page link. So you can go ahead and copy that link. And now your course that you published on Teachable, you can go ahead and paste it into a Facebook page, into your YouTube channel, or however you normally share your course links. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a course on Teachable, that's a quick rundown on that. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.